announcing partial closure for construction and renovation starting September 3, 2024 to July 1, 2025. Visitors should prepare for some changes as the park is set to undergo significant construction starting September 3, 2024. The Michigan Department of Natural Resources, DNR, has announced that the main areas of the park will be closed for a 10-month period with a projected reopening date of July 1, 2025. The DNR has outlined an extensive construction plan that includes paving the park's main road and the Hamlin Lake Day-Use parking lot. Efforts will also be made to increase parking capacity near Lake Michigan and to enhance the flow of pedestrian and vehicle traffic at the park's entrance. Additionally, the popular Skyline Trail is slated for renovation. During the construction phase, the northern section of the park past the Big Sable River will be inaccessible to the public. This closure includes the dam, footbridge, and highway bridge. The renovation of the Skyline Trail will necessitate the closure of the amphitheater parking lot as well. Despite these restrictions, park officials have confirmed that several areas will remain open to visitors. The South Trails, the boardwalk below the dam, the trails off Piney Ridge Road, and the open dunes in the southern portion of the park are expected to be accessible. Beaches along M1-16 just south of the park will also remain open, as will the far northern part of the park. The Hamlin Lake Day-Use area will be closed due to the construction, preventing boats from mooring in the area. However, the dune and beach southeast of the dam, as well as the dunes at the far north end of Hamlin Lake, will be open to the public. Park officials have noted that the construction timeline is tentative and subject to change, which may affect the availability of certain areas of the park. Spanning 4,800 acres, this state park is a beloved destination featuring pristine beaches, 3 campgrounds, sand dunes, and miles of marked trails. The park is also home to the historic Big Sable Point Lighthouse, a landmark for visitors and locals alike. All dates and proposed plans are subject to change. Please visit the WSTOPMichigan.com official website for updates before visiting Ludington State Park.